Epidemiology has been defined by John M. Lastes. The study of the distribution and determinants of health-related states or events in specified populations, and the application of this study to the control of epidemiology began with Adam and Eve, both trying to investigate the qualities of the forbidden fruit. The foundation of epidemiology was health problems. Major late in the 19th century, when a few classic studies made the contribution to the saving of life. Mention is made of an epidemiological society in London in 1850s under the presidency of the Earl of Shaftesbury. The society's main concern was the investigation of infectious diseases. The sudden growth of bacteriology had smothered the development of epidemiology in the universities. In the United States, Winslow and Sedgwick both lectured in epidemiology in the early 1920s, although the subject was not given departmental status. In 1927, W. H. Frost became the first professor of epidemiology in U.S. Later, Major Greenwood became the first professor of epidemiology and medical statistics in the University of London. Epidemiology has grown rapidly during the past few decades. It has now become firmly established in medical education. There appears to be almost as many definitions of epidemiology as there are authors who have written on the subject, ranging from Hippocrates to those of the present day,